So this one is sweet.
So guys, this is the final product. I just had to remove from this glass, and I'm going to add into this other 3 glasses. So here we go. This is the first glass for Adrian. I don't know his reactions. I'm not going to put too much because maybe it might not like it because it's a little bit. I added lemon, that's why it's a little bit sour. And then we have also here for Mama and for Papa small. And yeah, Adrian a little bit again. Iko kali. Ndio hiyo tamarind juice. Let's now make a thumbnail and then yeah. You're good to go. Thank you guys. Today I made sweet tamarind juice for the first time. Let's go. So guys, today we're gonna make sweet tamarind juice, and I hope it's gonna taste nicely because I tried eating it like that. It doesn't taste that good the way I used to. You know, for Kenyan, tamarind is so sour. This one is too sweet. We don't even need sugar. So let's go to the video. Tunaanzia. We start by opening the box. I already opened it. I don't think should I make the whole of it or not? So you just start by doing like this. I don't want to make the kitchen dirty. I'm gonna be putting it inside here. Then you open like this. This is how to make tamarind juice. Most of you, I know you don't know it. You just drink it, but you don't know how people make it. You remove everything and then you just put here. You have to make sure your hands are very clean. Then you put it here inside, and then another one like that until you finish. I'm gonna show you. I know I've ever drank tamarind juice before. Like I said, sweet tamarind. I tried it. It's so sweet. Sweet. I was so happy. I thought I found tamarind like the ones from Kenya. Unfortunately, it's sweet tamarind. Just pressed my lemon here. Guys, I just pressed my fresh lemon here, and I'm gonna add warm water here, and then I put here inside, and then I show you the next step. So here's my warm water. Then I'm gonna add small cold water. So it looks like before I add water. This water is still hot. I'm gonna add some cold water, and then I'm gonna add in there. So put some cold water. I think that's enough. And then don't mind the surface. I'm gonna put it here. And then you're gonna close it like this. And then the next step is to shake it. Shake, 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 shake like this. You shake it well. You use the whole power to shake it. The color already is not yet done, but this is the color, as you can see. And it's not yet done, guys. So I'm just gonna keep on shaking it until it's done. You see? Not yet done. So here we have our tamarind juice. I'm just gonna open here, and then you sieve it. Sieve it here. Oh, looks good. See, looks very good. It's a little bit thick. So you need a. So when you are sieving, you have to have a spoon to remove these things, and then you can just throw it away. And then you're gonna add in a little bit because it's thick. Go add it like that. And then you sieve it again. And it's faster. Like that. You add more. Then you sieve it. Show them down there how it looks like. You cannot see it. So let me show you how it looks like from inside. I think I would have used a clear glass so let's see how it looks like. You can see that's the tamarind juice you have inside here. You see? Looks really good.
Sweet.
So guys, this is the final product. I just had to remove from this glass, and I'm going to add into these other 3 glasses. So here we go. This is the first glass for Adrian. I don't know his reactions. I'm not going to put too much because maybe it might not like it because it's a little bit. I added lemon, that's why it's a little bit sour. And then we have also here for Mama and for Papa small. And yeah, Aiden a little bit again. Iko kali. Ndio hiyo tamarind juice. Let's now make a thumbnail and then yeah, you're good to go. Thank you.